Hi, this is a quick 3-minute video on this. Okay, in this particular video we're being asked to work out the area under the curve for the line y equals x squared plus 1. So effectively what we're going to do is use the integration rule. And we've got two values. We've got 1, which is this value here, and then negative 1, which is this value here. So it's between 1 and negative 1, and we're going to integrate x squared plus 1 with respect to x. Okay, well, how do we integrate? Well, the way we integrate is we add 1 to the index and then we divide by the new index. So effectively for x squared, I'm going to get x cubed and then divide by 3. So that's x cubed over 3. For the second one, which is positive 1, what we've got to do is imagine that 1 is exactly the same as saying 1x to the power of 0. So I'm going to add 1, it's going to give me x to the power of 1, and then divide by 1. So what I actually get is plus x. And that is going to be between those two limits, which is 1 and negative 1, as we had before. So really then it's a case of substituting in. So what I'm going to get is on the first substitution of positive 1, I'm going to get 1 over 3 because 1 cubed is still 1, and that's going to be plus 1. And then I'm going to substitute for x minus 1, and that's going to give me negative 1 over 3, negative 1. And when I work all of that out, I'm going to get 8 over 3. So therefore the answer to this particular question will be 8 over 3. And just for the purposes of completeness, I'm going to write that as units squared. And that would give me the answer to this particular question. Okay, so I hope the video was useful. Please do add a comment below if you're not sure about anything. I'll always come back to you. Subscribe to the channel. I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.